In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch itch.io games the easy way, whether the game plays directly in your browser or needs to be downloaded and run on your computer. This is a quick beginner-friendly guide, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to do, depending on the type of game you're trying to open. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming how-to videos. Let's get started. First, open the itch.io game page you want to play. Once you're on the games page, take a look near the top area where the game options are listed. If the game is available to play in your browser, you should see a Run Game button above the purchase or download section. This button is usually the fastest way to get started because it launches the game without any extra setup. Just click Run Game and a web player will open right in your browser window. After that, the game should load automatically and you can start playing immediately without installing anything. This is especially useful if you want to try a game quickly or if you're on a device where you don't want to download files. Now, if the game is not a browser game and instead needs to be downloaded, the process is just a little different. In that case, download the game files from the itch.io page and extract them if they come in a compressed folder like a zip file. Once the files are extracted, go to the game folder and look for the executable file, usually the .exe file on Windows. Double-click that file to launch the game. If your computer asks for permission to run the app, approve it so the game can open properly. From there, the game should start just like any other installed program. If it doesn't launch right away, make sure you're opening the correct executable inside the extracted folder and not the compressed download itself. So the basic rule is simple. If you see Run Game, click it to play in your browser. If you downloaded the game, open the extracted folder and run the exe file. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one.